The use of EDI is definitely increasing. I would say it's increasing in developing markets, but also in very well-developed markets already. For example, in the United States, you have initiatives from big hubs of EDI to get smaller providers onto their EDI program, and also to add new messages into their EDI flows. US multinationals are driving EDI operation around the world. For example, as large retail hubs are opening operations in other countries around the world, they take their EDI operations with them and they're spreading the best practices for their EDI operations to all of their new providers or current providers in those countries. In the future, I think we're going to see a lot of the B2B aspects of EDI and the B2G, which are new requirements, kind of mesh into one. So for example, companies in the healthcare sector that are accustomed to using EDI now will be forced to use an e-procurement strategy that the NHS has imposed upon them. So we're talking about typical EDI messages, orders and invoices that are usually just sent between B2B partners now have a B2G requirement. As EDI operations continue to become more and more international, it's very important to have a strong international partner, such as Edicom, that can support your company on a global level. One of the most important aspects of this would be globalized support. So you need to have support in all of the local languages that your operations teams are working in. Additionally, the platform needs to be available in the language that your operations team is working. Connectivity is one of the most important aspects about an EDI operation. So for example, when a company enters a new country, it's important that the EDI provider they're working with has a global mindset, such as Edicom, and can connect them to all of these other providers in that country. A good integration module, meaning it can work with any type of ERP, any kind of maybe flat file structure. Another important aspect of having an international provider such as Edicom is that they have experience implementing large, complex international projects, whether this be from a commercial standpoint or the technical standpoint. Choosing an experienced international provider like Edicom guarantees end-to-end support throughout the entire project, from project definition, defining the deliverables, recommending best practices, all the way through to the go live and then post live support with a dedicated support technician.